Hello HR friends. We have been receiving numerous queries regarding the COVID-2 lockdown compliance orders being issued by different state governments. So, we decided to capture the major highlights for you. In this episode, we are summarizing 5 states that have come out with instructions which apply to factories, shops and establishments. The states are Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Our summary covers 13 orders issued by these 5 different state governments covering the following topics, which we shall explain in detail. 1. Quality and usage of PPE. 2. COVID leave with pay. 3. Self-certification for industries. And 4. Relaxation for continuous process industries and permitted activities. So, let's begin. The Gujarat government has amended the Gujarat Factories Rules mandating the quality and standards of personal protective equipment to be provided to workers in a factory. Factory managers and health and safety teams must ensure the following standards while procuring and distributing PPEs in a factory. All personal protective equipment must be compliant with the relevant Indian standard or be approved by the Chief Inspector of Factories. If the Indian standard compliance or approval by Chief Inspector is not available, personal protective equipment must adhere to European standards or the American National Standards Institute or ISO standards till the relevant Indian standard is available. The government of Telangana has mandated the usage of face masks in all workspaces, public spaces and means of transport. Non-wearing of face masks can attract a penal fine up to ₹1,000. The government of Telangana has mandated leave with pay for workers afflicted with COVID-19. The following instructions have been laid down. Other workers who have come in contact with the infected person to be quarantined with pay. Infected person must be allowed leave with pay and must not lead to discontinuance or termination from service. Concerned department or wing may be closed and reopened after thorough sanitization. The government of Andhra Pradesh has mandated all factories and industrial units to submit self-declarations confirming the following: compliance with standard operating procedures concerning social distancing and other measures for containing the spread of COVID-19 as prescribed by the Ministry of Home Affairs. For work beyond defined lockdown hours, industries must submit a self-certification indicating the employees proposed to work beyond such hours with Aadhaar, employee ID and photographs to the concerned district industry center, the concerned Mandal Revenue Office and the local police. Industries must also issue special identity cards to their employees as per the list furnished to the General Manager DIC and the local authorities, based on which the movement of the workers and vehicles will be allowed beyond the curfew hours. The following states have elaborately defined the industries that would fall under the category of continuous process so as to allow 24/7 operations during lockdown. The states are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Continuous process industries to include petroleum refineries, large steel plants, large cement plants, chemical industries among others. Food and food-related process, cold storage, warehousing and e-commerce among other essential activities have also been permitted to operate. The following states have listed out specific permitted activities during the period of night curfew and weekend lockdown for factories, shops and establishments. The states are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Broadly, the activities are IT and ITES night shift operations permitted from office, essential maintenance needed for fire safety, machine safety and worker safety permitted during Sundays, maintenance and operations of data centers and other critical IT infrastructure needed to support back-end operations of medical, financial, transport and other critical services are also permitted. Thank you for watching this episode. For more, log on to www.sequel.com. You can follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn.